Hello, this is Derek Long with E2B Calibration. I'd like to go over a jack that came in that had a few issues. This is a 3-stage jack, 1, 2, and 3, along with the 3 bushings that come in the assembly here. This will go together as such. I'm going to set into your jack like so. Your 3 bushings, which are 3 various sizes, as you can see, all have threads on them. So it can thread into the jack and hold each cylinder down. So the largest one, for example, would fit on the outside, tighten it all the way down, get a spanner wrench, tighten it the rest of the way. The issue that we had with these is the 3 bushings here, due to use, ended up working their way out and getting loose. Let me take this apart and show you what happened. So, as you can see, due to these bushings coming loose, it caused damage to the cylinder here. This is cylinder 1. This is cylinder 2. What actually happened with this cylinder, cylinder 2, was due to the bushings backing off and weight from an aircraft, it actually pushed down onto the top of the cylinder and caused it to mushroom out this top lip here. Each bushing should slide over each cylinder, but because of the mushrooming, this will not slide over anymore without excessive force. Here's an example of how it should look. And that is even a little tight. One thing you can do to prevent this from happening is to just, every time you use your jack, look at each of these 3 bushings and ensure they're tight. You can take a spanner wrench, set it on top, tighten it down if you see anything loose. Once again, this is Derek Long with E2B Calibration. Enjoy the rest of your day.